Components of UV visible spectrophotometer. In this video, we will going to know about component of UV visible spectrophotometer. So here are the components which are included in the UV visible spectrophotometer. First is source of radiant energy, from where the UV light or visible light will come. So as we use the source, we have two sources, tungsten filament lamp or hydrogen deuterium lamp. The tungsten filament lamp, it emit radiation in visible range. The visible range is above 400 nanometer, whereas hydrogen deuterium lamp, it emit radiation in UV range, and UV range is below 400 nanometer. Second is collimating device. Collimating device usually consists of mirrors, lenses, and what it does, it focus and diverts the light. Third is monochromator system. Monochromator system usually consists of prism and slits, and what it does, it convert polychromatic light to monochromatic light. What is polychromatic light? The polychromatic light, it has light of various wavelength, whereas monochromatic light has light of only one wavelength. Fourth is sample holder. Sample holder usually consists of cuvette. It is made of quartz and fused silica. It is used to hold the sample. Fifth is detector. The detector consists of photomultiplier tube, and it is used to detect the absorbance, that how much amount of light is absorbed by the sample in the sample holder. Sixth is amplifier. As the detector sends the signal, the amplifier will going to amplify the signal. It will increase the signal to many times. This is the use of amplifier. Seventh is recording device. Recording device usually consists of computer with a software, and it is used to store the data for a long term. This is all about component of UV visible spectrophotometer. You can take a screenshot to remember all of these.